What's up, guys? So we were actually skating a little spot down the street, and me and Enzo actually got kicked out. And it was funny, it reminded me of being a kid, but as a kid maybe I wouldn't have handled as I do now as an adult. We were super respectful. We just explained, oh sorry, we were just trying to film a video. And yeah, it kind of came up in my mind like it's a good like kind of topic to address. Like, I know we've done like the skate park etiquette, like what to do at the skate park, what not to do, and I think there's like kind of a couple correlations with that in the streets. So me and Enzo, we tried to skate the little ledge. He was filming. Somebody that worked at the business came out and told us, hey, you can't do that, and they were really cool with us. They didn't come out yelling like, hey kids, get out of here, or saying anything bad or anything like that. And we just explained to him what we were doing, and you know, you got to respect, you know, they work there and it's probably noisy, skateboards are loud. So yeah, we just got out of there. But yeah, that's just kind of how it goes. Like I've said in other videos, like say if you can't skate a spot because you get kicked out, it doesn't mean you'll never be able to skate it. Just try to find a work around it, like maybe come on the weekend. Today it's a Friday, so you know, it's like businesses are going. This is it's a working day, like for us. You know, this is kind of like a job for us. We get to go out on Fridays and make these videos, which I'm really thankful for. But yeah, it's just a different way to approach it now as an adult. Like maybe if I was younger, I could have been confrontational just because I didn't know any better. But yeah, now it's like, yeah, we'll respect it. But if we really wanted to skate it, we'll come on a Saturday or a Sunday and no one would be around. But yeah, just be mindful about that when you're finding spots in your local area or hometown. And yeah, if people don't want you skating, maybe because it's too noisy or if it's their property, you got to respect that. And yeah, you don't want to get involved with you know, maybe security coming, they call the cops, and yeah, it's no fun. The only time I've ever been in trouble by the law was actually for not wearing a helmet at a skate park. In the streets, I've never, you know, I've been stopped by cops when we're filming, and yeah, they'll just tell you pack it up, and as long as you're respectful, they'll be respectful as well. And that's kind of some things to be aware of. And Enzo actually brought this up to me before we sat down. He's like, I wonder if there's any signs posted. Yeah, so always be mindful if there's like a no skateboarding or some sign like that, or you know, no trespassing or anything. Just be mindful of that. Like, I'm not saying to still skate or stop skating, but it's kind of like a lot of ammo for the person there. Like, hey, did you not read the sign? Oh, sorry, I didn't know it was there. And just, you could kind of play dumb. But yeah, you know, just leave the spot as clean as when you left it too. That's another thing. Like, don't leave coffee cups or trash or anything like that. But yeah, it was just kind of a quick little hit that I thought we should tackle, because I don't know, it happened in real time. So yeah, it's just like a little topic that I thought we should go over, because what better time than now? It wouldn't make sense to do it while we're at the skate park or something. But yeah, that's kind of like a quick little almost like a quick little insert from our day so far. But I'll check you guys out in the next video. Sweet. Hey, what's up, guys? So today, you know, we're in the streets, we're having fun, but you know, we want to give back to you guys, so we got a little challenge for you. We have done stuff like this in the past, but this is kind of a new take on it. So this challenge is completing a skateboard. And what I mean by completing is, I want you to take a board, existing board you have, take the trucks, take the wheels, get all your hardware, get a tool, and I'm gonna put together this board, and there's gonna be a timer in the video right around this area, like real time, and I'm gonna do it as fast as I can. And we want to challenge you guys to see if you can beat my speed. And the person that beats my speed, that's going to be the winner of the giveaway. All of the details for this contest are going to be in the description below. So if there's anything that you think like, oh, he didn't go over this, didn't go over that, it will all be down below. So this is me right now. This is gonna be one take. I'm gonna try to go my fastest, but I'm pretty sure one of you guys out there can beat me. So I got everything disassembled. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want you to take the wheels. You don't have to take the bearings out because it's kind of a pain to take them out, but I just want you to take your truck's wheels off, have them set up, have your hardware, and just do it as fast as you can. So here we go. I'm gonna jump right into it. Timer starts right when I pick up the board, so All right, so there you have it. There's the board I put together. I tried to go fast, had a couple technical difficulties, you know. I lost one of the washers, but found it, put it back on there, so we are all good. So there's the board. You can tell it's on there. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, that's our challenge. We challenge you to beat my time. I may not have done the fastest, but show me that you can do it faster, and that's going to get you to become a winner in our giveaway. And as this kind of comes through, like everybody's submissions come, that's when we're going to announce the giveaway. But don't sleep on this one. This giveaway is going to be pretty awesome. So thank you guys once again for checking out all the content that we've been producing. And yeah, I hope you can beat my time. And just another thing, no power tools. You can't, we thought about that halfway through. I was like, wait a minute, if somebody just, you know, use some power tools, if, you know, just has like a drill, you can really do this pretty fast. But yeah, everything has to be hand tightened with just, you know, non-power tools. So, all right, we'll catch you in the next one.